Chaguanas, located in central Trinidad, is a lively hub that offers visitors easy access to both the capital city, Port of Spain, and the Paraco International Airport. From luxurious waterfront properties to budget-friendly stays, travelers can enjoy comfort, convenience, and warm Caribbean hospitality during their visit. The first one is Hyatt Regency Trinidad. This luxurious waterfront hotel offers breathtaking views of the Gulf of Paria, an infinity pool, and a full-service spa. Guests can enjoy spacious rooms with modern decor, plush bedding, and floor-to-ceiling windows. Its central location makes it ideal for business travelers and tourists alike. Exceptional service and a serene atmosphere make it one of the top choices in the region. The second one is Radisson Hotel Trinidad. Situated in the heart of the capital, this hotel combines modern amenities with stunning panoramic views of the city and sea. Rooms are well furnished with contemporary design, comfort beds, and workspaces for business travelers. Its prime location allows easy access to cultural attraction and shopping areas. The third one is Hilton Trinidad and Conference Center. Set amidst lush garden and overlook the city, the Hilton offers a unique hillside design that combines stunning views from every floor. Guests can enjoy an outdoor pool, tennis courts, and a full-equipped fitness center. It is a peaceful retreat just minutes away from the city's bustling life. The fourth one is Holiday Inn Express and Suites Tin City Trinidad Airport. Perfect for transit passengers, this hotel offers quick access to the airport along with a complimentary shuttle service. Rooms are clean, spacious, and equipped with modern amenities for a comfortable stay. Guests can start their day with a free hot breakfast and relax in the outdoor pool. The friendly staff is always ready to assist with travel arrangements. The fifth one is Grand Diamond Hotel Suite Trinidad. A cozy yet elegant property, Grand Diamond offers well-appointed rooms with a warm and welcoming ambience. The on-site restaurants are both local and international dishes, making it a great choice for food lovers. Rooms feature comfortable beds, flat TV screens, and modern bathrooms. Its proximity to the airport makes it a popular choice for short stays. The next one is Runway Hotel. Located close to the airport, this hotel is designed for travelers seeking convenience without compromising comfort. Rooms are stylish, furnished, and equipped with essentials like Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and flat screen TVs. It is an excellent option for overnight stays or early morning departures. The next one is K Park Hotel. This stylish hotel offers a blend of comfort and modern design, with rooms that are bright, airy, and well equipped. Guests can enjoy an outdoor pool, fitness center, and multiple dining options. The hotel location makes it ideal for exploring cultural landmarks, parks, and shopping districts. It is friendly atmosphere and attentive staff make it a favorite among both tourists and business travelers. The typical garden setting adds to its charm. The next one is Courtyard by Marriott Port of Spain, a perfect blend of comfort and functionality. This hotel features spacious rooms with premium bedding and work-friendly layouts. The outdoor pool and fitness center provide layup options, while the on-site restaurants serve fresh and flavorful meals. Guests appreciate the clean and modern interior along with the welcoming staff. Its location near the waterfront and shopping areas make it convenient for exploring the city, ideal for both short and extended stays. The next one is C&C Bed and Breakfast, a charming, budget-friendly option offering a homely atmosphere with personalized service. Rooms are simple yet comfortable, equipped with essentials for a pleasant stay. Guests enjoy freshly prepared breakfast and the quiet, relaxing surroundings. The B&B is always well maintained and provide easy access to nearby attractions. Its affordable rate make it a great choice for travelers on a budget who still value comfort and cleanliness. The last one is Studio 27 Inn. This budget hotel offers clean and cozy rooms with a friendly, welcoming environment. Amenities include Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and daily housekeeping. Its location near the airport make it ideal for quick stopovers or business trips. Guests appreciate the attentive service and peaceful atmosphere. The property's simplicity and affordability make it a reliable choice for travelers seeking value for money. Whether you are visiting Chagwanas for business, leisure, or as a stopover, the nearby hotel offers a range of options to suit every budget and travel style. From luxury waterfront retreat to cozy bed and breakfast, you can find the perfect place to relax and enjoy the vibrant spirit of Trinidad and Tobago.